Hey, Alex.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I was just thinking.
Every time you say that, you've got an idea.
Maybe, so. Are you free next weekend?
I think so, why?
I really need a break. What do you say? We go somewhere for the weekend.
Not a bad idea. Where are you thinking?
I was looking at some places online, and Goa came up.
Go. Really?
Yeah. The beaches look amazing.
You know what? I've never been there.
Then this is the perfect time.
All right. I'm interested. But how much is this going to cost us?
Let's look at 3 useful expressions. From that conversation, what's up is a casual way to say, how are you? Or what's happening? We use what do you say to make a friendly suggestion. For example, what do you say we watch a movie? Came up means appeared or showed up. For example, I searched online and a great hotel came up. Ready? Let's continue the story.
All right. I'm interested. But how much is this going to cost us?
Don't worry. I found a few good deals last night.
Really? How much are the tickets?
Around 4,500 each.
That's actually cheaper than I expected.
I know. That's why I got excited.
What about the hotel?
I found one near the beach. The reviews are really good.
Nice. How many nights are we staying?
I was thinking 3 nights.
Sounds perfect to me.
Let's take a quick English coffee break. A good deal means a good price or a special offer. For example, I found a good deal on this jacket. Cheaper than I expected means it costs less than I thought. For example, this pizza is cheaper than I expected. Sounds perfect to me means I really like that idea. For example, let's watch a movie. Sounds perfect to me. Let's see how much you understood. Question 1. Where does Mia want to go? Question 2. Has Alex been to Goa before? Question 3. How many nights are they staying?
Wait. Why is the flight ticket showing an error?
What? Let me see.